Yeah! Hello everybody! Let's work on learning our center punch strike or Choong Dan Kong Kyuck. Choong Dan Kong Kyuck. Choong Dan Kong Kyuck. Center punch strike. Alright, let's start by learning how to make a proper fist. Hands up. Very good. This is 1, 2, roll it down. 3, place your fifth thumbs on top. One more time. 1, 2, and 3. If you find yourself holding onto your thumb or your thumb sticking out like this, you are in the incorrect punching position and you can hurt your thumb or your other finger. One more time. 1, 2, 3. No. No. Yes. Good. I'm going to bring both hands back. Now, when I am focusing on my punching, I'm focusing on my 2 front knuckles, my pointer finger and my middle finger. I don't want my ring finger or pinky finger to be involved. Good. So I point those 2 pieces I what I call knuckles. Good. Punching is a simultaneous action of both pushing and pulling. We're going to be focusing on aiming towards our belly button so that when we naturally punch a little higher, we will hit in the solar plexus. Follow along with me. Pull and switch. For the other hand. Pull and switch. Pull and switch. Pull and switch. A little bit more power. Pull and switch. Pull and switch. Good. Let's add a stance. So, we want our feet and our hand end at the same time. So I step into that front stance, nice strong punch to the middle, ending at the same time. Notice how my back is square. I'm not leaning forward into my punch. We're going to have a nice strong stance, nice square shoulders. Reset. 2 more. Reset. 1 more. Let's work that other side. Ready? Reset. Reset. Alright, that is our center punch strike or Choong Dan Kong Kyuck in Korean. Practice what you learned, make it rock. Hello everybody, let's look at what our punch looks like on a target. Good, when we're punching something, we need to either the center, that's the most common, or the filter, or the inchu, in Korean. It's the second most common. So, punching the skull, it's going to be very hard, it's very dense. Once you solar plexus, it'll be nice and then win your opponent. Let's practice the center punch. So my feet and my hand land at the same time. Other side. Right, for good measure, let's see what a punch in the nose looks like. Very good. And that is our punching on our target.